What's good, guys? Lex Tech Tips. Today we're going to be recording a repair of a hard drive. As you can see, the hard drive just jumped out of my hands. Find it? Hey, don't touch it. We're going golfing. Put it back where it was. Four. As you can see, I got a hole in one there. So, oh wait, before you smash it, we need to say the specs. This is a Seagate 12 terabyte hard drive. So, I got a low battery thing. Okay, as you can see, what we're doing right now is currently fragmenting the data so we can defragment it later after we do it. All right, videographer. All right. As you can see, the hard drive has been buried slightly, and as you can see, this chip is now missing. There's massive gashes in the board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair the fucking ID, so it's just completely gone. I'm going to be repairing the top part like that. As you can see, there's now a massive dent. We're erasing the data. Oh my god. Sounds like gunshots. Wait. Oh, where'd it go? There was a chip that came off. I went to grab it. There we go. This is was a Motorola something. So yeah. God. As you can see, the hard drive is now functioning very well. What? Oh yeah. Give me that. As you can see, we're now cleaning off the hard drive. It's currently being rinsed of all its previous data. So, what? It's currently being cleaned even more. We're currently cleaning the PCB to remove all corrosion and hopefully get this drive functioning again. But I can see there's still a chip on the board, which is definitely causing issues. So we're gonna have to get that off. So now that this is clean, we're gonna grab it and we're gonna get this chip off. As you can see, it's still on there. So let's go back to our other workspace. As you can see, oh wait, look at that. This one? I'm gonna do this side because it's already. As you can see, the chip is now exposed. Thank you, videographer. See, now that this chip is being removed, the hard drive is now going to be cleared of all internal shorts and repaired. As you can see there, this is the chip or something. So yeah, that's good right there. And right here, the spindle motor. Problem with these is they get all loose, so you got to tighten them up. Do this just to make sure they spin not too fast. Right here, this is a capacitor right there. Videographer. zoom in. Capacitor right there. What these do is they hold too much power. You gotta get those off the board like that. As you can see right here. So when you got too much power, the hard drive spins data too fast, and you get all sorts of problems there. And honestly, I might as well just remove this board. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, because at some point these boards get old, and the only way you're gonna fix them is you gotta rip them off and start fresh. As you can see, this side of the board has many errors on it. They're gonna have to be fixed.
Oh, it's covered in water.
Oh yeah, it is covered in water. How did that happen? Anyways. Oh, there we go. Fixed. As you can see now that the board's corrected, it's better now. So yeah. Well, you think we repaired it?
Guarantee on
Yeah, you like that good D? I got that good D. Yeah.
This is... No, it's too hard.
So,
Do you have...
yeah, this has been a successful Lex Tech Tips repair. As you can see, the hard drive is now perfectly working, and my chicken won't shut the fuck up. So, curb stomp that hard drive out with my fire ass red Crocs. Not sponsored. Yeah.